Today, I'll be showing you how to set up and use Nightbot. Start by heading to the Nightbot website. A link will be provided in the description below. Choose to log in. Log in with your streaming platform. Authorize the connection. Click the Join Channel button on the right. This will add Nightbot to your stream chat. Close the pop-up window. Head to your stream chat. Type /mod Nightbot, then send the message. Nightbot will then become a moderator in your chat. Switch back to the Nightbot website. Expand the command section on the left. Click Default. These are all the standard commands that automatically come with Nightbot. On the left, you can see if the command is enabled or disabled. These commands aren't very important. However, you can enable and disable them from the actions on the right. If you would like to change who can use one of these commands, then click the options to the right of your selected command. Use the top drop menu to choose who can use the command. Click and drag the slider to set how often the command can be used. Submit when you are done. The main feature of Nightbot is custom commands. Click Custom under the command section. Choose to Add Command. Give your command a name. This is how the command will be activated in chat. It is recommended to use a prefix like an exclamation mark. The message section is the response that Nightbot will give. User level sets who can activate and use the command. For most commands, this should be set to everyone. However, some commands may be better to only allow moderators to use. The user level is also the minimum user requirement, meaning anyone with a level above the selected role can use the command. When you click on the drop menu, the levels are listed from highest to lowest. Use the cooldown slider to set how often the command can be activated. This can help prevent spam. The alias section allows you to use the settings from another command for this one, including the Nightbot reply. An example would be if I already had an exclamation mark YouTube command with the message being a link to my channel. I could then name this command exclamation mark YT. Set the alias to exclamation mark YouTube and leave everything else blank. Then, whenever someone uses the exclamation mark YT command, Nightbot will send the YouTube command response. Submit to confirm changes. Nightbot will now be set up.